In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in place in Figma. If you've ever found yourself struggling to duplicate an exact positioning of an element across your design, then this tutorial is for you. We're going to break down the process of pasting in place, ensuring accuracy and maintaining flow in your design work. Let's get started by navigating to Figma, a robust collaborative interface design tool that many designers swear by. Simply launch your browser and type in figma.com to get to the website. Next, you'll need to log in. You'll see the login button on the top right of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. From here, you can access your projects and files. Now that you're on the homepage, let's dive right into the design space by selecting the file you want to work with. Locate the design button and click on it. This will take you to your design file where we can start working on pasting elements in place accurately. Once in your design environment, let's focus on the object you want to copy. Click on the shape tool to create or select a shape in your design. You can identify a shape easily. It might be a rectangle, circle, or any custom vector graphic that you're working on. With your desired shape selected, it's time to copy it. For this, use the keyboard shortcut Command or Ctrl+C. If you're using a Mac, hold down the Command key. If you're on a Windows machine, use the Control key. Pressing these keys along with the C key will copy your selected shape. This is a very straightforward step, but it sets the foundation for pasting your shape in place effectively. Now, the gem of today's tutorial, how to paste your copied shape precisely in the same location, but possibly across different frames or layers. This is accomplished by using the keyboard shortcut Command or Control plus Shift plus V. Again, depending on your operating system, use the Command key for Mac or Control key for Windows, add in the Shift key and finally hit V. This sequence ensures that the element is pasted in exactly the same position it was copied from, maintaining the alignment and layout of your design. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to paste elements in place in Figma. This technique is invaluable for preserving the design integrity when you need to replicate components or when collaborating with others on a project. By leveraging these keyboard shortcuts, you can enhance your productivity and accuracy within Figma, making your design process more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice this method to master the efficiency it brings. See you in the next tutorial.